Hello to all my creative people. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel Good Vibes by Nidhi. In today's video I am making these cute lovebirds who are so much in love. This year especially we have realized the importance of our loved ones. So this video is dedicated to all the people that you love. So let's just start with today's video. First of all, I am outlining the birds with purple color so that my drawing won't disappear when I do the background. If you want a traceable of this painting, DM me on my Instagram and I'll share the picture with you there. Now start mixing all the colors together with a flat brush. Don't worry if it doesn't look good while spreading the colors. We'll blend the colors together with a blending brush. Use a little bit of water so that it blends nicely. See how beautifully they all blend with each other. I am taking this chrome yellow color for my birds. I am using 2 number brush for my birds because it gives me precision and I can make feathers like strokes also with this brush. So it is very important to choose your brushes wisely and according to the shapes. So here is a tip. If you are making detailed painting, take a very little amount of color at one time. I am showing you my palette so that you all can see which colors I am taking and which colors I am mixing to make my desirable shade. Now I am making small strokes like feathers. As my birds are so colorful, I'm just enjoying filling beautiful colors in them. I assure you will be mesmerized by the end results. Draw small lines to make feathers. This will add more dimension to your bird. As you can see, I am playing with the same color palette with same colors, but small add-ons are making it look more realistic. So keep on adding more and more details. So here is my favorite part. These two dots in the eyes will add life to my birds. Now let's make this branch now. Use a little bit of white to make the highlights. I am mixing yellow and green to make the leaves. So we are so close to the end part of this video. I thoroughly enjoyed making it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it too. I'm just giving it final touches and it's ready. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll try to come up with more and more beginner friendly artworks. For that you need to subscribe and share my work. Do share your recreations with me on my Instagram and this will make me the happiest. Now I am removing the tape and trust me, this is so therapeutic. Take good care of yourself and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye.